What's up everyone, coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to show you a free app called Inkscape. It's a program similar to Adobe or Corel Draw for your Mac or PC. It can help you create logos, YouTube thumbnails, profile and banner pictures, auto trace, vector graphics, and so much more. The best part about it is it's completely free, no subscriptions. It can be a little intimidating at first, but I'll try and show you the basics, and we'll start off by making a YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing you want to do is head to your browser and type in inkscape.org. Now, once on this site, you'll find the download link right on the home page. Click that, choose your operating system, and follow the rest of the steps to download. Now, once you've downloaded and opened the program, you'll see that they have it at an 8.5 by 11 inch letter size. We're going to want to change this, so we're going to Google the YouTube thumbnail size. It's going to come up as 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels tall. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the program, hit File, Document Properties, change your units from millimeters to pixels, and type in your 1280, enter, by 720, enter, and get rid of this box, and you'll see it's at the size you want. It might not completely fit in the frame here, so you want to use the plus and minus on your keyboard to zoom in and out. And once you got it into the middle of your frame where you want it, wherever you're most comfortable, you're ready to go. So a lot of people do their YouTube thumbnails differently. Some people just use text, some people use their pictures and text. So I'm going to try and build one like my last video here so you can see how I did it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Import, and I'm going to double click on the picture that I want, and this is going to come up. Now you don't need to worry about everything because it's already default ready to go for you. It might matter once we get into other things like if you're tracing objects and other things like that, but you just want to drag the picture into the box here. Like I said, you can zoom in and zoom out just to make sure that you're in the lines and you're not losing any of your picture here. Now the way I'm going to do this one is I'm only going to fill in about 3/4 of this and use the other for text. Now I don't just want to put the text over a white background, so I'm going to go to the tool on the left hand side here of the box. I'm going to hold down, left click and hold it down and drag to the size that you want. Sometimes it'll automatically pick up where you want to go. Once you're done that, you click the arrow and you can once again choose the objects that you want to work with. Now I want to change the color of this, so all I'm going to do is click on that, make sure that it's selected, and come down to the colors. I'm going to make this one red. Now I'm going to add the text. So you want to click on the text over here and click to where you want to start typing. This video was for free video or free YouTube video intros. Now once I've done that, once again I'm going to go over to the arrow. Now I'm going to drag it out and resize this to make it fit. But first, sometimes if I want to change the font, I'll change the font before I start resizing because different fonts can be different sizes. So we'll go and choose one. Let's just pick any one for now. So yeah, once we have this in here, you're going to notice that the lettering might be a little bit too close together. So you want to spread that out. The way to do that is the double A is up here. So you want to make sure that you have this highlighted. Come up to here and you can hold that down, stretch it out until you think it looks good. Or you can read it better. Once we're in the middle there you go. Now you can add a lot of little touches here. I mean, if you wanted to put text in there, like just say no watermark. Now you don't want it to be as big as the other one, and you want it to be off the side. So we'll make this white to go on the dark bottom here. And click it again, and you'll notice these arrows on the corner here turn. And that's to give it a little bit of an angle. So there you go. Now if you want to add underlines, there's a lot of cool ways to do that as well. You can head over to the box here And just make a rectangle underneath your text. Now sometimes if it wants to automatically stick you somewhere over to the corner here and you don't want to go that far, you just go a little bit, make it a little bit smaller, and you can use your arrows on the keyboard to move it back and forth. Once you click the arrow once again, have your object clicked, highlighted, you can move it around. Now that looks kind of plain. So the thing I usually do on this is I go over to fill and stroke on the right hand side here. Now once onto here, you have to click onto the object that you want to mess with, and you can make it a little transparent. Well, that just looks like another color. So what we're going to do here is there's transparency templates, if you want to call them that. So we'll click onto this one. Now that right there looks cool. Almost looks like a light beam underline. And there you go. That's your YouTube thumbnail. So to have it as the file you want for YouTube to accept it, you go to File, Save As, name it, Save As Type. Now you want to go to Cario PNG. And once you have it saved, it's ready for YouTube. It was that easy. Now I'll get at some more videos later on more things you can do with this program, like auto trace, and if you're working with vinyl and things like that. Hope that's enough to get some people started. If you have any questions or need help with what you're trying to accomplish, message me or comment below and I'll give you a hand or base a video on the subject. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos.
Yeah.